Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Mumbai Car Boy. Yes, today we are with another video, and of course you have seen it in the description as what did I do to the bike. I had many of you put up comments when you seen the anti-rust video as to why did you do it. It looked so ugly. There were many such questions. Today is the day where I'm going to answer all those questions. How easy it is to remove, why exactly put it for the bike. It is all going to be in this video, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, yes, we are here with Laila behind. She's going to get washed today. The reason I put the anti-rust was basically to stop the spotting on the bikes and the major part, not to get rusted, sorry. So that's exactly the process that is just started. We're starting with the final wash. Stay tuned because it's an easy process to remove the anti-rust.
So starting off with the first process was basically to get the bike clean, because before you go ahead and apply diesel to remove the anti-rust, the bike has to be clean, free from all dirt and dust on the parts that you need to apply the diesel. The second and the most important process for the day was actually the diesel application. So what you see him doing right now, he's taken a cloth filled with diesel. He's just applying it as an overcoat on the entire parts that have the anti-rust. This is only because it will soften, it will loosen the anti-rust from the parts that have them on.
So right now what you can see him using a steel brush, so it's actually a kata kind of a thing. So that's exactly after putting the diesel, he's just using it to scrub the diesel off. So you can see it's coming out very nicely. There's no scratches that are being there. So you can see him doing it right there as well. So it's just a decent scrub that he's giving, not even a pressure scrub, and it is coming off.
The best part starts now. So you can see the anti-rust actually peeling off or falling off completely by the small gentle scrub that he's giving. Do go ahead and enjoy the rest of the time lapses, basically to show you how easy it was to get most of the anti-rust out from the parts that are visible. Of course, the places that he could not reach with his hand, he was using a toothbrush that you would see later on as well. So enjoy and hope you like this small little exercise that we did, and I hope you are now changing your thoughts on what I did to Laila.
So yes, it's a lengthy process basically to get this anti-rust removed, but you have seen the bike at the moment as well. It looks back to not getting rusted, not getting any spotting as such on the engine casings as well. So stay tuned. I'll show you a time lapse of basically how this entire process is, and later on at the end of the video you will see the outcome of the bike. It's going to be like a showroom look. I promise you, stay tuned. So you can see he's using the steel scrubber again on this side as well. It is coming out very easily. He has to not scrub it very hard. आपको जोर से करना पड़ रहा है कि ये हल्के से हो रहा है?
हल्के से हो रहा है।
So as he said, ये हल्के से हो रहा है. Yes, it is because he's actually already wetted with the diesel before. So that's the reason it is peeling off, coming off very smoothly. And if you ask me a question, is the steel wool going to put scratches? I'll show you the bike once it's completely washed. There is going to be no scratches at all on the bike. Okay, if you can see him doing the bend pipe at the moment, everyone was saying that the anti-rust will actually stick onto the bend pipe when it gets hot, but you can see he's done a fabulous job. It's come out completely and it is back to its normal look.
Now it was time to actually give Laila a water wash again. This was only to actually remove the diesel off the bike completely before we do the shampoo wash. So yes, Laila was already shining. You can see that happening right now as well. You can see the difference of the bike, what it looked earlier, and if you see the engine heads at the moment, and also the silencer as he walks towards the end of the bike, you will see that the shine is coming back. And of course, this is, I have not done any polishing or nor at the end of the video as well. There's nothing, it's just the wash that has actually come out very good. So this is the most and the important and the final process of getting this anti-rust off. Yes, it is the shampoo wash. This is now to get the diesel off the bike as well, and also to get it to shine. So if you see the video on right now does justice or no, please leave it in the comment box. If you feel now, what do you feel of what did I do to the bike during the rains? Was it making any sense or no? Please leave it in the comment box. I'll be happy to read them.
That's the silencer for you. The bend pipe.
हाँ भाई.
And that's the engine as well. So you can see everything is back to stock look. Of course, this will need a little buffing, but you know, it's better than getting those spottings during rains, don't you think? Leave your comments below if you think this is the best option. You see that stock look right now. So finally we have gone ahead and finished the actual washing of the complete bike. Yes, most of you were saying that, you know, Laila does not look good, I dirtied the bike, why did I do it? So now let's take you to the bike and show you how Laila looks now post the wash. And did the anti-rust come out? Does it make sense to put it during the rains?
So guys, thank you so much for watching this channel, watching this video particularly. I hope this made sense to you, and I hope you understood why it is very important for you to put anti-rust to the bike. Yes, it gives you the stock look again, and you don't need to worry during the rains, because many of you actually keep worrying about your bike because it gets spotting, it gets rusted at parts. But this is the best way to actually be tension free. This is Mumbai Car Boy saying thank you. See you on a next vlog. Bye bye.